How to use OANDA demo account. If you are new to trading or just want to practice without risking real money, the OANDA demo account is the perfect place to start. The demo account works just like a live account, giving you access to the same tools, charts, and real-time market data, but with partial funds instead of real capital. To begin, log in at trade.oanda.com and select the demo option. Your account will already be funded with partial money, usually around $100,000, allowing you to place trades and test strategies right away. Inside the platform, you will find your account balance, instrument list, charts, and order panel. You can open buy or sell trades, set stop losses, and take profits exactly as you would in a real trading environment. The demo account is the safest way to learn the platform, build confidence, and develop your trading style. Once you feel ready, you can switch to a live account and start trading with real funds. Now you know how to use the OANDA demo account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.